Money. Nvidia on deck to release earnings next Wednesday, the last of the Mag 7 stocks to report this quarter. The company coming off a busy week, CEO Jensen Huang presenting at Computex in Taiwan, where he called U.S. chip export controls a, quote, failure. With more what we can expect to hear from the company and what the options markets are saying, we got to turn to Mike. What are you seeing?
Yeah, so right now the options markets are implying a move of about 6.5% the day that they report, about 8% higher or lower by the end of next week. We saw a lot of volume today, over 3 million contracts. Of course, it's always one of the busiest single stock options out there. The activity that I was noting was the sale of 15,000 of the 140 strike calls that expire next Friday. Somebody sold 15,000 of those for about $1.71, and I suspect it's probably one of these single stock strategies that are engaged in call overwriting in single stock names like NVDY probably in this particular instance. And we've seen a lot more of that activity, and what that can actually do is ultimately, if there's enough of that flow, it can actually restrict some of the volatility in the stock because the market makers are going to own a lot of that optionality.